So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download the Microsoft .NET Framework Repair Tool. And now once you're on this, you want to choose your language and then click on download. Once it's been downloaded, we're going to click on it and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to tick the box, I accept, and then click on next. Wait for this to load and then click on next. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, it should be saying changes complete. You can now try to reinstall your .NET Framework again, see if that works. If that's still not working, then you want to click on next, wait for this to load, see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Next, you want to go to search and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to be seeing .NET Framework. You want to untick both of them. Untick both of them and then click on OK. It's now going to start applying changes. Once that's been done, we can now close this. Next, you want to go to search again and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to tick both these boxes for .NET Framework and then click on OK. And then select let Windows Update download the files for you. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been downloaded, you want to restart your computer. And then hopefully this will fix your problem.